My name na Emeka Rolas Ejezie. Na me be president for Actors Guild of Nigeria.
My name na Moji Oyetayo, aka Mama Ajasko. Na me be the chairman of the Actors Guild of Nigeria, Lagos State chapter.
Be Cordelia Eme. Na me be the producer of My London Slave.
I pay for the council tax and even pay for those your expensive designer boxers.
This movie, as you see, I'm so now they shoot them for London. The producer Cordelia, they do very well for London. We see say this na Nollywood in diaspora. So people, Nigerians, where they live for London, they live for America, then they do film, then they make us proud. And this proud way they make us, might make us they come to support them fully for anything we didn't do for that place.
Me, I give my support because they be my people, they be my chapter members. And I say for now, whenever they here, whenever watch the film, make una come out for our house, make una run helele, come watch this better film. We get better story, better plot, better comedy for inside.
To produce My London Slave, especially for London, no be conchopo. This is no day easy, especially because we get to run around, they find money everywhere. You know, as a first-time producer, it be no easy, but I thank God. Say today, we dey here, back home for Naija to see wetin be My London Slave.
I'm expecting a very good movie. I'm expecting a good story because right now it's not every movie that our legends should be shooting. So I believe that as far as this is coming from his table again, I know that it's going to be a wonderful movie.
As we come from now, we never see the movie. Now when we enter, we go see him. But as they call him slave in London, he go show you say slave in London. But they talk something about person where they live life where he no supposed to live because they under pressure.
Wetin you expect for My London Slave? You know those things where they happen between man and woman inside house where they need to talk about. This story now story about real life women for UK. You know when you hear say my pikin dey abroad, oh my daughter don't go abroad, she need to send money, she need to call, she need to come home. You don't know wetin dey happen to her there. So we just want to tell mothers, fathers, uncles, aunties, say sometimes these people they there, then they suffer. Oh, you don't know wetin they take your children to. So make you find out wetin they do with your children. No blame them. Oh, and again we won't use this movie to speak for those people when they fit talk. We won't be the voice of the voiceless. Come out, talk about them, seek help so that your life no go end inside there. Now make My London Slave come out so.
The money is here, bro.
This is the way all our husbands they behave.
I give you your papers and I'll take you back.
You look familiar. I'm drinking Ikayidanda. Come and kill yourself, drink and die.
You have hardly held down a job.
Bisola, don't say you down.
I pay your ticket to come to this town. You have no right to speak to me the way you are speaking to me.
Ademaja Kimboju.
Chika, come now.
I'm coming. Would you mind coming into the station for some questioning, sir?
Please think through before you do something that you may regret.
I be actor for My London Slave and be producer. Aye, to double up a hard. But you know when you get passion for something, aye, as you dey do am, you dey happy, strength they come from nowhere. At the end of the day, it was a good thing. It's a success. So we thank God. So we dey here now.
Hello my people, my name is Moji Oyetayo, aka Mama Ajasko. Now me be the chairman of Actors Guild of Nigeria, Lagos State chapter. If you know they watch correct TV, I don't know what to they watch show. Oh na run, go on, go they watch correct TV. Now it be the better TV where they make Africa gagaragba.
Correct TV. Now we own.